Hey crew, happy Sunday. I'm back. So y'all will get this video today. I hope everyone been doing great. In the comment section, let us know how y'all been doing. I know y'all kind of miss me because some of the comments been telling me, hey, I miss you. Trust me, I miss y'all too. And I have a lot of great videos for y'all that will be coming soon. And like I said, this is just a Sunday dinner vlog. Queen, she fried some fried chicken. I did some macaroni and cheese, some yams, and some sweet peas. And that video for the macaroni and cheese, I will leave the link to that in the description box. Even though I did it a little different, I have a full recipe on how I make my mac and cheese. And here Queen just seasoning up her flour. And she did season her chicken last night, and she put it in the refrigerator to let it marinate overnight. So I tried a piece, and I'm telling y'all, she did her thing. It was really good. The flavors was on point. And here I am right here showing y'all a piece of the chicken. And she did thighs, legs, and wings. And I ended up stepping in to help her because she had to take baby boy hair loose. So, you know, teamwork makes the dream work. And we're going to move right along. And I'm going to show y'all the process of the macaroni and cheese. And like I said, that video link will be in the description box below. So I went in with a 1/2 cup butter and 2/3 cup of flour. And then I mixed it. And here you're just making a blondie. And what they mean by blondie is just a white roux that you make for your macaroni and cheese. So you do not have to make a roux for your macaroni and cheese if you don't want to. So like I said, I mixed it. Then I went in with some 4 cups of white milk, the Velveeta cheese, and the ragu cheese, and y'all will see that coming up. I can honestly say that, hey, I miss y'all. I miss being able to drop content for y'all. And like I said, you know, I haven't been slacking, but I have been recording. It's just been like super busy for us in this household. And for y'all that watch the main channel, Alicia Southern Crew, y'all will know that, you know, we've been going through a lot, but we don't give up. We don't complain. We just keep pushing through. And that's all you can do with life. When life give you lemons, make lemonade. When life give you a hard time, do whatever it takes to lessen the load on you to make life a little easier. And hey, we all going through something. But that doesn't define us, and that doesn't defeat us. We can't be no quitter. We can't quit. We can't give up. We gotta push through. On the winners are victorious. So hey, if you want to be in the winner circle, no matter what you're going through in life, always push through. Pray until something happens. Pray until you get a breakthrough. Stand strong. Stand strong on the word of God. Because I promise you, He will never leave you nor forsake you. So whatever you're going through, I encourage you on this Sunday to keep your faith, keep believing, and keep trusting the process. I hope my words of encouragement help someone or just made your day better. We all need encouraging at times. We all need to be lifted up at times. We ain't Superman. We ain't Superwoman. Hey, we get weak. We may fall. But we need someone there to pick us up and to encourage us and to lift us up and help us out of the situation we're going through. So as y'all saw, I was seasoning up the roux for our mac and cheese. And hey, please season your roux for your mac and cheese, because you do not want no bland cheese, and I promise you it will not taste good and nobody gonna eat it. You gonna end up throwing it away, putting it in the trash can, baby. I promise you, because you ain't even gonna eat it. But yeah, please season it up. And I mean, you can taste it as you season it. That way you don't over salt it. So nobody want no salty macaroni, and nobody don't want no bland macaroni. You know what I mean? So we're gonna mix in our ragu cheese after we place our Velveeta in. And coming up, y'all will see how thick it got. And you want your roux to thicken up, because you don't want it to still be liquefied, shall I say, because your mac and cheese will be runny. And y'all can see right here that it's getting thick, baby. It's getting thick. Yes, thicker than a snacker. Like I said, let it thicken up. Hey, it takes some time, but trust the process. Don't try to rush it. Let that roux thicken up. I promise you, you're gonna like it. So I'm gonna go in with some pepper jack cheese here. Then after that, I'm gonna go in and pour the roux, our cheese sauce, aka roux, whatever you want to call it, but it's cheese sauce made from a roux. I'm gonna pour that over there, and y'all see how thick that is. Ooh, baby, that's some thick cheese sauce right there. Thickalicious. Yes, sir. So after the cheese sauce, I'm about to go in with mac and cheese blend, and it's a limited edition cheese, but whatever cheese y'all want to go in for y'all mac and cheese, hey, go for it. You could do American cheddar, mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, provolone, mozzarella, parmesan, Kobe and Jack, whatever cheese you want to put on there. It's your macaroni and cheese, so hey, make it your own. But like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to try out my mac and cheese. And if you do, let me know what you think about it. Alright, so I got all the cheese on it, and this is that famous close-up. And in the next scene, you're gonna see after I put it in the oven. I did bake this in the oven at 350 degrees until the cheese was brown. So here's that final look of the cooking process of mac and cheese once I took it out the oven. It looks so good. Ooh, I did my thing. I also did some sweet peas and some yams that I'm showing y'all here. I'm gonna fix up a plate, and I'm gonna show y'all everything on the plate. Then I'll close out this video. Alright, so I'm about to hit y'all with that final plate, and bam, there you go. We have our sweet peas, our yams, our mac and cheese, and our fried chicken. This is our Sunday dinner. And Queen also made a pound cake, and I didn't show y'all that, but hey, I'ma slide it in there. Maybe a picture. I'll slide it in there right here. Bam, there go the picture. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click the bell and set post notifications to all. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.